Hey girl. Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to another video. So today, girl, we are under the sea. Under the sea. Unfortunate souls. Help indeed. Well, that's Ursula. Girl, it's giving mermaid vibes. Hello. Girl, it's the 99J, girl. Y'all wanted something different. Last time we did blonde. Then we did highlights. Today we 99J. Fine as wine. So listen, if you want to see exactly how I got this look, let's go to the salon, girl. To the salon. Hey guys, so excited to share this unit with you. This is from Sofeel Hair, and I can hardly contain myself because it is the famous 99J. It's a 13 by 4 frontal 3-part unit. It's a body wave unit, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the highlights, the lowlights, the ombres, girl, look at the color. Get into the color. I'm super excited to install this unit because I really am getting into stepping outside of my comfort zone as it relates to color. So let's take a look inside. We've got the adjustable straps in the back. We've got combs, and this is our lace. Now, girl, Sofeel, I'm not feeling this lace, girl, but I am ready for this install. So let's get to it. Pull your glasses out there.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Fine down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze what we got going on, but I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's up being away from me. Till I put it down, feel like synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. And you won't find nobody that's not me as real as me. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. Wait, it's to infinity.
what it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, for my hurt you are the cure. Like a spring you keep me healthy, with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure. Darling, in your arms I feel secure. I feel secure. Darling, feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, girl, you know I miss you. Oh, baby. Oh, you know I miss you, darling. You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you, baby.
Hello, beautiful. So we are back to the house. We made it home. We started at home, but anyway, that's not the point. I really want to just say thank you, Sofeel. Thank you so much for this unit. The melt, second to none. One of the best melts I've had yet. Now, I will tell you, the lace is not transparent or HD. It was white, so I did have to tint the lace, which is easily done with my makeup, right? However, to me, what would make this the perfect wig for me is if the lace was a little bit more translucent and a little bit more HD. To me, that makes it easier and a lot, you know what I'm saying, more of a natural look. Now, I love these curls, okay? I love the unit. The unit started off as a beautiful, gorgeous wave. Y'all know I love my wave, but I definitely wanted to do something a little bit different. And I told her I wanted sexy, volume, you know, Ariel. If she was chocolate and had been to the buffet and was eating crab legs, then this is probably what. This is probably what she would look like. But listen, I absolutely love this unit. Thank you so much for collaborating with me for this video. And again, as you queens know, I am a community that does not just offer you one thing. I am multifaceted in that I offer you a little bit of everything, A to Z. So let me know down below in the comments, and when you're ready for the information in regards to the unit, hit the description. Beauty is a state of mind, not body, and I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next video.